Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I'm very pleased to tell you that the issue with the Razer Kiyo has been completely fixed. Basically, I'm using the Razer Kiyo at the moment to film this segment. This is basically what you get out of the camera. I've got no lights on above me. I've literally got a key light on in front of me, and this is the quality you're actually getting out of the camera. It was actually a fellow subscriber that told me there's actually another firmware update, which I was actually unaware of. It was released 23rd of July 2021, so a few months back. So if we flick over to my desktop, I will link this in the description. This is basically the firmware all you guys need to be on to fix all the issues. Once you downloaded that, guys, all you need to do then is make sure the Synapse software is fully up to date. And I've showed you in a previous video how to check for the update, but you just go into your Synapse software, click on the cog in the top right hand corner, I believe, and then there will be a button to say update. But I have said in the previous video how to do that, but it hasn't changed in the way to actually update the software. But once you've done that, let me just open my camera software just to show you the settings that I'm using. So basically, these are the settings I'm currently using at the moment. So brightness 129. As I say, I've only got a key light on, got no room lights on other than the lamps behind me. Contrast 112. Yeah, the only thing I've left on auto is the white balance, because I found with the Razer Kiyo the white balance is pretty good. I've left the zoom all the way out, though you can, if you wish, punch the actual camera in, which normally I do have to get the camera punched in a little way. The exposure, I've actually got the auto turn off and I've set it manually to -7, sorry. And then the focus I've set manually as well, which I previously showed how to set that in a previous video. Low light, I've got that turned off, and all I've done is applied the settings, and that is pretty much it. It's nice to be able to turn on your computer and not have to key in all the settings back into the camera. So I can 100% say, guys, I can highly recommend this camera now. Before, I absolutely loved the camera. I thought the camera itself was brilliant. I thought it's a good idea to have that built-in ring light if you had no other lighting. Though, if you can get dedicated lighting like I have here, you can make this camera absolutely amazing. But now the firmware's fixed, software's fixed, I really can't think of a downside to this camera, really. This camera is everything you could possibly want in a streaming webcam. Right guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Try to keep it short and sweet. If you're new here, do consider subscribing. Also like the video if it's benefited you in any way. If you use Twitch as well, I do stream over there. I play games there like Warzone, Animal Crossing, The Forest, many more. Follow me over there as well. Yeah, until next time guys, take care.